Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, I'm going to show you how I made this little DIY pegboard hook. Recently I uploaded a video and we made a pliers rack out of some wire shelving. This was a scrap piece that I had left over. I figured there's got to be some of you guys who decide to make that same pliers rack. You're going to have the same leftover piece that I had, and why not put it to use? I'm like your relative that grew up in the Depression. I don't like to waste anything, so since this was around, I decided to make it, and I actually think it worked out pretty well. You can see it holds full set of wrenches. I got some nut drivers over there. It's super easy to make. Just a few cuts, a couple of bends, and you're ready to go. So let's take a look at it. The only tools we're going to need to make this little pegboard rack is something to cut it with. I use this rotary tool. You can use like bolt cutters, whatever you want. And we'll need some long nose pliers. Now in the pliers rack video, we used a wire shelving piece like this, and we cut it just on this side of this horizontal, or what was horizontal bar. So just right along here is where we cut it. So what was left over was this fatter bar here, and then what I'm going to call fingers, all these fingers coming out that were loose on this end, right? So that's what we left off with, and that was the scrap piece that we still had. Now this piece you're looking at is 2 feet long, give or take, and you'll notice everywhere where I had to make a bend, we went down and around. If you take this and bend upward, it just snaps right here. It's not a real strong connection, but if you push it down and wind it, you get a lot of strength out of it. So this part goes behind your pegboard. If we look at a traditional pegboard hook, you can see it slides. This part goes behind, it pivots here, and it'll sit like that. So we're just recreating this bend the best we can. So we just need that to go up and back there. So this piece is behind your pegboard. That's kind of the middle section. Here's on your outside. Next thing I did was wrap this a couple times around so it comes out the bottom. And this has given us a little bit of tension, so when there's weight on these things pushing downward this way, this helps support it, because in a normal peg rack, this is the only thing that's going to support that weight, and this just isn't real strong. So this gives a little bit of extra to it. And you see I did a hook on either end, and it was easily holding all those wrenches. And then we also did one in the middle. If you're noticing it sagging or not working out for you, add another one of these little guys somewhere in the middle. Or if you have an extra long piece, anything longer than this, like I said, was about 2 feet. You can see on this end, I hooked these because I didn't want anything to be able to slide off. But you really don't even need that much. Just very little would be enough to hold it on. On this end, I just left them alone. And you can see everything held just fine. So it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it was effective. And if you're going to make that pliers rack, you're going to have this piece anyways. So why the hell not, right? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. We're doing a bunch of toolbox organization videos lately because I'm trying to get all my shit together. So if you're into that stuff, make sure you're subscribing, because there were some past videos, there's going to be future videos, all trying to get ourselves organized.